Hello YouTube, Jibs here. Today I'm gonna give you an update on this active VE52 pressure washer. Now let's begin. As you can see here, the white nozzle has 40037. That means that it is 40 degrees and it has 3.7 orifice. These are the MTMs. As you can see, the white nozzle has 40030. That means 40 degrees and 3.0 orifice. And since we were not able to test the actual 3.5 nozzle, I ordered one. These are made of hardened stainless steel. I got this one from Amazon, 1-day delivery, and a little bit cheaper than the MTMs. That's why I chose this one, and of course it's made in the USA. In comparison to the original and MTM, it's actually on the light side. Now let's check the marking. Look at the white nozzle. It has 40035. That means it is 40 degrees and 3.5 orifice. Now let's begin the testing. Now let's see if we purge the air longer than usual, if the pressure will improve. That's all for today, guys. If you like this kind of video, please hit like and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, please subscribe and ring that bell. Again, Jibs here saying, take care and may you have a great day. Peace.